Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a BMW. I'm talking about any BMW guys. It could be 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, 6, 7 Series guys. If you have a front end noise rattle coming from your suspension, we will explain guys the top 5 reasons for that. Make sure you stay until the end. One of them is super hidden and most of you don't even think about that. So we're going to cover that today. Now, before we start guys, okay, let me tell you, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your BMW, check out the links in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need guys for a really good price and fast shipping as well. That's where we get all our tools and parts from. Number 2, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let me show you guys okay what we have here, and we're going to explain actually guys the top 5 reasons that can develop front end noise rattle. With that BMW completely taken apart, we can show with a great detail the suspension and everything else, and we'll explain okay what can cause that now and how to actually find out about that stuff and how to fix it. So not too complicated at all guys. Number 1 reason okay that we see on BMW, any BMW, every BMW will have that. You have sway bar. The sway bar is also known as stabilizing bar. It keeps your car from rolling, not to have a body roll, especially when you take curves. Okay, makes your car really stable. That sway bar connects to the struts through a sway bar link. This is known as a sway bar link guys, and if you need to buy new ones, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. This is the number 1 cause guys for front end noise rattle, because your suspension will go up and down all the time, your strut, and even little bitty potholes, uneven road, anything like that will cause it to go up and down. And that sway bar link, when you remove it, you can actually even test it guys. When you disconnect it, you will be able to see if you have play in the joints. They often go bad. This is the number 1 reason on any car that we see here at the shop that has front end noise guys and rattle. Now another thing on BMW, doesn't matter if you have a rear wheel drive, front wheel drive or an all wheel drive BMW guys, okay, you will have bushings, okay, bushings for the control arms, multiple ones, 1 or 2 usually, one right here, and you can see we have another one okay towards the back, all the way back there guys. That bushing, they often get bad guys, especially if you have bad roads. Those bushings will get bad, and as a result they will develop a play, and that play will result into a front end noise rattle. Especially if you hit your brakes, you will be able to feel the bushing play, kind of like in the steering wheel a little bit. Also, you may notice that if that happens, you may have uneven tire wear as well, but that can be caused by a bad strut, and that's our case. We have bad struts guys. Number 3, bad struts can cause your front end noise and rattle. Why? Because the strut can get play inside, loses the gas and oil inside. You can see we're losing gas and oil. Also, you can if that bushing here between the spring and the strut is damaged, it can rattle. And the strut mount has a bearing, okay, and support right there. That strut mount guys can go bad, and that can develop quite a bit of play and rattle as well guys. So always replace the whole strut assembly, I'll recommend, or the whole components, strut, maybe I'll even recommend the spring, the whole thing guys, because otherwise you will be doing the job again very soon. So that's number 3. What about number 4 guys? Okay, and there is one that's hidden. Number 4, check your joints and tie rod ends. They usually guys develop a play. You can disconnect them, remove them, see if you have a play. You can even turn the steering wheel, see if you have a play. The control arms where they attach to the spindle right here, to the hub, check them to make sure you don't have play. That's very common as well. But something else that most people don't think about, if you look at the sway bar, you have another bushing guys, okay, towards the front. That bushing right here, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. And if that bushing is wore out and you have play between the sway bar and the bushing itself, what will happen? It will actually develop a play guys, okay, and that play will result into rattle, okay. And that's what we have right here. I have one of them removed. It's on this side. You can see I removed it to show you what it looks like. This is the bushing. You just separate it like that and put it on the sway bar, and after that guys you just put the cap. It fits really tight on new bushings and just get it tight. But that's number 5 reason that we see here at the shop. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.